Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Aqara with Alexa voice control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Aqara with Alexa voice control, begin by ensuring your Aqara device is set up and functioning correctly. Open the Alexa app on your mobile device. In the Alexa app, tap on the More icon located in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Skills and Games. Use the search bar at the top to type in Aqara. Find the Aqara Smart Home skill and tap on the Enable to Use button. You will be prompted to log in with your Aqara account credentials. Enter your username and password, then tap on Login. Grant the necessary permissions for Alexa to control your Aqara devices. Once authenticated, you will see a confirmation message indicating the skill has been successfully linked. Go back to the main screen of the Alexa app. To discover your devices, say Alexa, discover my devices, or use the Devices tab within the app. After a few moments, Alexa should list all your connected Aqara devices. Confirm that your devices appear in the list. You can now begin using voice commands to control your Aqara devices through Alexa. For example, try saying, Alexa, turn on the living room light, to control your Aqara light. Continue to explore various commands based on the features of your Aqara devices. If any issues arise, troubleshoot by checking the connections and ensuring your devices are powered on. Revisit the Alexa app if you need to relink or configure specific settings for your Aqara devices. Enjoy seamless integration and enhanced smart home automation with Aqara and Alexa voice control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.